name is Rebecca Schultz, and this is my accounting project on the Accounting Cycle, Chapter 4. And today I'm at Triumph Restoration. As you know, accounting is a technical business function responsible for recording, reporting, and analyzing financial information. Small business owners use accounting to determine the profitability of their company accounting cycle, the collective process of recording and processing the accounting events of a company. The series of steps begin when the transaction occurs and end with the conclusion of financial statements. And today I'm here with Alice, the president of the Triumph Resolution. Thank you, Alice. Restoration. Thank you for being with me today.
No problem.
Can you tell me a little bit about your company?
Sure. Triumph Restoration started in 1986. We're a commercial glazing and caulking contractor. We are a union shop, so we employ union employees, and we work in the Chicago and suburban area.
Very good. Can you describe the closing process of Triumph Restoration?
Sure. Every day we have our data entry into the computer, and we have a specific construction accounting software. And at the end of the month, we take all our reports then and pass those along to our accountant, and he compiles everything to come up with a balance sheet for the month for me.
So everything's on a software, you don't have to do anything by hand?
That's correct. Everything is done in the computer with the construction accounting software program.
That's very convenient.
Yes.
How many times does Triumph Restoration prepare closing entries?
We do our the data entry every day, and then at the end of every month is when the accountant gets all our paperwork. So he prepares a balance sheet and a general ledger report for me every single month.
So it is monthly financial sheets, not
Correct.
quarterly?
Correct.
How often do employees use worksheets?
The employees, I have one employee that does all the accounting data entry for me. She does payables, receivables every day, and then she does payroll once a week.
And what about your policies and procedures?
Typically, she is in charge of all the data entry, and then I supervise it and make sure all the entries are correct. And I'm the one that gathers all the data at the end of the month for the accountant, so that if there's anything that looks odd to me or anything that might have been entered incorrectly, we catch it hopefully before he prepares the reports.
And how does Triumph Restoration perform adjusting entries in books?
Our software is very forgiving, so we can go back in and make adjustments, change general ledger entries. We can make deletions or additions if we need to in any of the data entry line items. If for some reason we miss something, that's another fail-safe that I use the accountant for, is that he can make the adjustments to general ledger if I see we put something in incorrectly.
And do you do cash basis?
We are on an accrual basis, so it's a little different, so you have to take the whole year into consideration rather than just looking at 1 month at a time, because we're in construction, it's very cyclical, so 1 month may be really horrible, but then hopefully by the end of the year you are coming out ahead.
Okay, thank you. The final output of the accounting cycle is preparing and financial reports and statements. These reports and statements provide business owners with information regarding the efficiency and profitability of business operations. Thank you, Alice, for meeting with me today.